Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip is to um, invite an impressionistic view of the world, a physical view of the world, which is to say, unfocused or softly focused. And so I can help myself by just literally taking my glasses off. That's an awful lot better. Everything's much less sharp, so that's great. Another way to do that, which you could do as well, and you can do it instead of the glasses or contacts, if you will, or spectacle, I suppose, is to allow the eyes to soften enough. I don't want to squint. Through squinting, we could have the same effect as I'm after or similar, but um, the process by which I achieve that effect is sort of counter to what I would like to be doing in my Tai Chi Chuan practice, i.e., it's tense. So the idea is to softly let the area of the eyes close or nearly fully close so that I'm like heavy lidded, like very sleepy. And what I'm looking to do is achieve that sort of soft focus of the world. And perhaps if it's night, it might be sort of bringing about a bokeh effect from any lights that may be around. So that's quite fun. But ultimately, what I'd like to do with this practice is uh, have a mind that isn't busy naming because things are unbordered, unfocused, unsharp, unclear, and therefore indistinguishable from other things. They're indiscernible. So that my mind rests. So this is not just about the eyes, it's about the mind that is attached to those eyes and is a companion in action with those eyes. So see if we can have that soft eye, impressionistic view of the world so that I'm not seeing and naming everything and go through your practice that way. I rather enjoy that one. And this is me without glasses on. Thank you. Love.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.